Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You're watching the RevKid. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 is a classic cruiser-style motorcycle that has a retro-inspired design. It features a large round headlight, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and a comfortable saddle. The bike also has a wide handlebar, forward-set foot pegs that provide a relaxed riding position. But if you're coming from a cafe racer or any other Royal Enfield bikes, you might have a hard time finding the foot pegs. The Super Meteor 650 comes with dual-channel ABS, twin-pod instrument cluster, LED taillight, and blacked-out components that enhance its aesthetic appeal. Now let's talk about its performance. The engine is nothing different from the 650 twins launched 4 years ago, which is kinda disappointing. It produces the same 47 horsepower and 52 Newton meters of torque. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox and has a claimed top speed of around 150 km per hour. The bike has a smooth and refined engine that delivers linear power delivery, making it suitable for long rides and cruising on the open road. Also, the low-end torque comes in handy to get you through any situation without juggling between gears frequently. This humongous toy with a proper cruiser personality comes with flaws too. Given its size, weight, which is 241 kgs, and a longer wheelbase, you might find it difficult to navigate through the city traffic. The low ground clearance and stiff suspension will leave you anxious for the most part of the Indian roads, but it's only a matter of time till you get used to it. Though this bike may not be the perfect choice for the city traffic and has a certain flaws, but once you take it to its natural habitat, countryside, cruising at 6th gear, there this bike comes to life. There this bike listens to you.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले
One eternity later.
hope you guys liked the short review of the Super Meteor 650, and if you guys did, you already know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe. This is RevKid signing off. Thanks for watching.